With the increasing demand for HDI, high-speed, and high-frequency printed circuit boards, LiloTree is proud to announce Nicholas ENIG-Premium, a revolutionary set of solutions for the metal plating industry, allowing users to plate gold onto barrier layer treated copper, providing numerous benefits while seamlessly integrating into any existing plating line. Applications range across numerous industries, with mobile devices being a prime example. In order to fabricate HDI, high-speed, and high-frequency PCBs, the choice of materials is critical. High-frequency printed circuit boards require strict parameters to function optimally. Therefore, the surface finish must have low insertion loss, high reliability, a long shelf life, and be cost-effective. The most common solution in the PCB plating industry is ENIG. ENIG-Premium, offered by LiloTree, has solved the black pad and brittle solder joint issues. However, the presence of nickel is not suitable for high-frequency applications because of the high insertion loss. One of the primary benefits of Nicholas ENIG-Premium is the reduction of insertion loss caused by the absence of nickel. This insertion loss is nearly identical to the insertion loss of copper over the 0 to 100 GHz frequency range. As you can see, the insertion loss of Nicholas ENIG-Premium is significantly lower than conventional ENIG. Current nickel-free options like DIG, EPIG, and EPAG have reliability issues. They are prone to brittle solder joints and require thick layers of precious metals that are not cost-effective. LiloTree's Nicholas ENIG-Premium solution gives you all the high reliability performance benefits while reducing the amount of gold needed to create a robust surface finish. On top of all this, there is no palladium required. Thickness of intermetallics between the solder and surface finish will result in a robust solder joint. The Nicholas surface finish shows superior intermetallics compared to DIG with nearly half the intermetallic thickness, making the overall electronic assembly more reliable. The intermetallic thickness of Nicholas ENIG-Premium is also lower compared to EPIG and EPAG. Solder joint strength of your components will also be improved tremendously. These solder ball, shear, and pull tests from a third-party lab show that no brittle intermetallic solder joint failures are present after 1,000 hours of aging. Now, we will show you the simple plating process of Nicholas ENIG-Premium. Begin the plating process using LiloTree. Here we are immersing the printed circuit board for 20 seconds to remove organic residue and oxides. This solution also acts as a micro-etch that decreases surface roughness. LiloTree replaces all of the pre-treatment cleaner acids and etchants, reducing the number of tanks needed in a plating line. Lilo Copper BL is designed specifically to work on copper surfaces. It protects and passivates copper and prevents diffusion of copper atoms into the subsequent gold-plated layer. After the copper barrier layer has been applied, the component is immersed in Lilo Immersion AU. Lilo Immersion AU reduces the cost of gold consumption in tank plating lines by offering users controlled plating thickness and uniformity. This cyanide-free gold solution has a long plating life and is very stable. The final finish will be a rose gold layer compared to a cyanide-based matte gold finish. Once the gold surface has been plated, The PCB is immersed in NanoClean for 20 seconds as a post-treatment to remove organic residue. Here you can see the rose gold finish. You only need 50 nanometers of gold to realize the high reliability benefits of Nicholas ENIG-Premium. Compared to other Nicholas solutions that require high thicknesses of precious metals like palladium and gold, our tight thickness distribution reduces gold consumption. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why Nicholas ENIG-Premium should be your choice when